Hi, today I'm going to cook duck with my special recipe, so just follow me!
Before I boiled the duck, I already cut the duck just like we cut chicken and soak it with lime and salt for like 30 until 40 minutes to get rid of their fishiness. After that, I pour some garlic powder. I boil it for 1 hour and a half so the duck's meat not tough. 4 tablespoons of chili sauce and 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. 1 onion and 3 garlic cloves. 3 tablespoons of margarine. 3 teaspoons of salt and sugar. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And the boiled duck. First, turn the stove in low heat. Second, pour the oil for deep frying the duck. And then, fry the duck until the color turns brownish. Drain the duck so the meat not greasy. After that, chop the onion. Turn the stove in medium heat. Pour the oil and add the margarine. After that, stir fry the chopped onion. Next, add the sauces in the pan, mix it with onion. Pour the soy sauce and stir again. Add the sugar and stir it until melted. Add the salt. After that, pour 1 glass of water, wait until boiled. Finally, put the fried duck into the pan and mix it well.
This is it! My special recipe for duck with margarine sauce. Thank you for watching!